Hello students, as in the last class we have done how to convert the rational number into a decimal form. Now in this class we will convert the repeating decimal into a fraction, or you can say that in a rational number. Now as we know that every rational number can be expressed in the form of a decimal. Similarly, every decimal or every terminating or non-terminating repeating expression can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, or in a fraction, or you can say that in a rational number. Now when you do division in a rational number, you must have noticed that in some of the decimal only repeating digits are there, and in some of the decimal repeating and non-repeating both are there. So if, let's take an example, 0.3 bar or 0.81 bar. In these types of decimal only repeating digits are there, so they are called pure repeating decimal. Now in next example, 0.19 bar. Now here bar is only on the 9, not on the 1. So here 1 is non-repeating and 9 is repeating. So these types of decimals are called mixed repeating decimals. Now before starting the questions, let's recall multiplication by 10. Now if you take a decimal number 237.5321 and you multiply it by 10, then how many places the decimal will shift after multiplication 10? It will shift only one place. If you multiply this number by 100, then decimal will shift how many places? 2 places. And if you multiply it by 1000, then it will shift up to 3 places of decimal. So same logic we will take in converting the repeating decimal into a fraction. Now let's take an example. Express 0.6 bar in the form of P upon Q. Now let x is equal to 0.6 bar. Now which type of number is this? It is pure repeated decimal or mixed repeating decimal? Now here only repeating digits are there. So it is a pure repeating decimal. So x is equal to 0.66 and so on. Now here we have to shift the decimal one place. One place, why? Because only one digit is repeating, and to shift one place we have to multiply it by 10. So multiply both sides of the equation 1 by 10. Then it will be 10x equal to 6.666 and so on. Now here we have to convert this expansion in the form of a fraction. So we have to eliminate the repeating digits. So for elimination we have to subtract equation number 1 from second. We have to subtract left hand side from the left hand side and right hand side from the right hand side. So 10x minus x will be 9x, and 6.66 and so on minus 0.66 and so on will be 6. Now here equation is equal to 9x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 9, or its simplest form is x is equal to 2 upon 3. Now is it clear? Now 2 upon 3, let's check our answer that our answer is correct or not. Now again divide it. Now on division you will get 0.6 bar, correct? Now take next example. 0.47 bar. Now which type of decimal is it? It's pure or mixed? It is mixed, because here 4 is non-repeating and 7 is repeating. So it is mixed repeating decimal. So we have to multiply 2 times. In first we have to transfer decimal from left to right for non-repeating digit, and second time for a repeating digits. So here non-repeating digit is only 1. So we have to multiply equation 1 by 10 on both the sides. So by multiply equation number 1 by 10, we will get 10x is equal to 4.77 and so on. Now we have to shift the decimal one digit because only one digit is repeating here. So again we will multiply it by 10. So after multiplication we will get 100x is equal to 47.77 and so on. Now to eliminate the repeating digit, we will subtract equation number second from equation number third. Now on subtraction, left hand side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side, we will get 90x is equal to 43 or x is equal to 43 upon 90. Clear? Now if you divide it, then you will get the same decimal expression. Now in this class we have done how to convert the decimal into a fraction. Now in the next class we will do rationalization of a denominator. Thank you and have a nice day.